Welcome back, guys. You are watching Unicode Education. You may have seen your seniors or your friends saying, I am in an internship, I am doing an internship, I am doing an internship at Adobe, I am doing an internship at Microsoft, like that and all. But you may not have a clear idea of what are internships, what are the types of internships, such as campus ambassador program, work from home program, like that. Different types of internships are there, and you might have heard of Internshala also. I already made a video on Internshala too. If you have not seen that video, this video is a clear PPT presentation of Internshala internships. So Internshala is the easiest way to earn pocket money and gain experience. So if you want to know more about Internshala, and I have also built my resume using Internshala. So Internshala, I would suggest everyone to go there and register. The link is in the description, and also uh, the main thing is that they are giving an attendance certificate for watching this video. Just for watching this video, they are giving you a certificate. So don't miss that certificate. The link is in the description. Click on that and grab that certificate, and that will improve your what's so called, it will help you gain some experience, and this talk will be beneficial for you. So watch this video till the end without skipping. And main thing, don't forget, just go to the description below. There will be a link to click on, which will give you a certificate for attending this talk of mine through Unicode Education. So this will be an official talk, not unofficially. Unofficial video will also be made for attendance certificate. This video was to be made, and I have made it. Just click on it, get your attendance certificate. More than that, first of all, watch this video till the end. Then you will find out how to earn money, how to gain your experience and all. So by saying this, let's get started.
Are you preparing for KCET 2021? You know, the Unacademy Plus subscription includes benefits such as premium content at affordable price, structured live courses with dedicated live doubt clearing sessions, quizzes at regular intervals, and daily practice problems. And single subscription will give you unlimited access, everything under single plus subscription. So Unacademy has 20 plus top educators. I'll be showing in the next slides. They have 10 plus years of experience, and the best plans for KCET 2021 aspirants is given here. 12 months plan at 12,375, just 12,375. If you use my code LiveChandan, it costs around 1,031 per month, and again 6 months plan at 10,125 if you use my code LiveChandan. Here I am showing. So it also costs about 1,688 per month, so it's affordable if compared to other online and offline institutes too. So multiple batches launching every month multiple batches are being launched. 6 months full syllabus will be given, complete preparation and course completion in Kannada language. Kannada also is there. Kannada batch is also there for Kannada aspirants, so who are Kannada, who are well versed with Kannada language, can use that. And dedicated doubt clearing sessions, which I already mentioned. And 8 months comprehensive full syllabus batch is also there. Study from top educators. Advanced topic starts soon, so enroll now. If you are interested, just enroll now. For trial period, they are giving a 1 month trial plan of about 2,250 only if you use my code LiveChandan. Here I am showing it. So these are the educators you are seeing here. Learn from the best educators for KCET 2021. Detailed explanation of each topic for better understanding. So complete syllabus coverage will be there. Tips and tricks to save time and score better in exams. These are what important tips and tricks which will boost your rank. So if you are interested, just get in now. So these batches are starting from 14th October, actually already started. So just kickstart your career now. Actually, KCET 2021 will be a easy go for you if you get these tips and tricks from these top educators. So if you are also not able to afford that, you can also get free classes on YouTube. The link is in the description. Free classes are also available on Unacademy YouTube channel, so you can see and you can get it.
Hi, I am Chandan, and I am an Internshala student partner representing Internshala. In this video, I will tell you all about easiest way to earn pocket money and gain experience. Also, you'll get a link to the attendance tab at the end of the talk, which will confirm your participation for this talk. You will also get an exclusive chance to play Resume Score Calculator upon attending the complete talk and filling the attendance tab. So what's the current scenario? Colleges have reopened, but students are at home due to COVID-19 situation. Although students are having online classes, they have a significant amount of spare time at hand, which is a golden opportunity for them. They can utilize this time to earn pocket money and gain experience and explore their interests.
How can you utilize your time in the best way? Apply for part-time or work from home internships. Yes, start your journey by applying to internships that are easier to get, like part-time and work from home internships. Getting selected for these internships would open doors for you to get the first-hand experience and help you get ready for big opportunities. Second one is applying for campus ambassador internships. The best part of doing a campus ambassador internship is that you get to work from the college itself with your own convenience and also get a chance to earn a huge stipend. Why part-time internships? You just work just 2 to 3 hours a day. Yes, you just need to give 2 to 3 hours a day, which allows you to do the internship without disturbing your online classes schedule. And also you can earn pocket money. Who doesn't want to be financially stable in life? Everyone does, right? Doing internships ultimately helps you to be financially independent. Students like you and me can start earning pocket money in college through internships and will not have to depend on our parents for monthly expenditures. The main thing is you can gain meaningful experience. Doing an internship not only helps you to earn pocket money but also helps you to gain valuable experience. It is like a sneak peek into the corporate world for you before you're actually going out there. Did you know that 5 lakh plus students got a part-time or work from home internship through Internshala and earned up to INR 1,20,000? Awesome, right? Wouldn't it be great if you could earn such a cool stipend while in college? But how to get part-time internships? Internshala can help you. Internshala is the world's #1 internship and training platform. Internshala is an internship and online training platform which was founded in 2010 with an intent to create a culture of meaningful internships in the country. At present, over 4 million students look for internships on Internshala offered by more than 80,000 employers in 100 plus profiles like engineering, marketing, finance, human resources, content writing and graphic design, etc. The best part of Internshala is it's free of cost for students. Yes, you don't have to pay anything to get an internship, rather all internships on Internshala. Apart from NGO and not-for-profit organization, all internships on Internshala come with a stipend and a certificate. How to apply to a part-time internship on Internshala? These are the 3 simple steps. Register for free. Create an account as a student and verify it. Then complete your profile. After verifying your email account, you need to complete your profile by finalizing your resume and filling in your internship profile preferences. 3. Apply and get hired. After completing your profile, you can continue with applying for internships on Internshala that match your profile and availability. In your Internshala applications, you can view the all application status of all the internships on a real-time basis. Here are a few students just like us who not only got financially independent during their internship journey but also gained valuable experience to build their careers. Ujjwal and Nitish both earned INR 15,000 and fulfilled their wishes to get a DSLR camera and gifts for their parents. I am sure you all would also want to be in the same list so that you can also buy all the things added to your wish list and also make your parents proud. So if there are any questions, feel free to ask me any questions regarding internship as well as Internshala. Please note that if you have any specific questions regarding Internshala, you may find answers to your doubts or queries on our website's help center. After this session, I would request you all to please fill your attendance, as all of you will receive a special attendance certificate for this talk if you fill in the attendance tab from the link which I have mentioned. Thank you for watching this video.